Good morning, readers. Today is an exciting day because we are going to be working on giving our words a triple check. We are going to ask ourselves, does it look right? Does it sound right? And does it make sense? Remember, when we ask ourselves, does it look right? We look at the first letter or the first part and we think of the sounds that those make. Then when we ask ourselves, does it sound right? We think, are we putting in an action word where it needs to be, or a thing where it needs to be, or a place word where it needs to be, or a person where it needs to be? And then, when we ask ourselves, does it make sense? Remember that this week we're working on a fiction book. We ask ourselves these two questions. Is it in the story? And is it in the picture? Okay, we're going to revisit the book we've been working on all week called What to Wear. Let's take a look at this page. All right, listen up as I read. Abby throws Zotz a shirt. Zotz takes the shirt. Abby gives Zotz the socks. Zotz takes the socks. How did I do? Thumbs up? No? Where? Here? Really? Thumbs down? What about here? Thumbs down? Oh my goodness, thumbs down on both pages? Oh, I'm going to need your help. Okay. Now, let's do this. Let's see. Abby throws Zotz a shirt. All right, let me ask myself, does that make sense? Abby throws Zotz a shirt. Let me look at the picture. Is she throwing him the shirt? No, I cannot give myself a check. Abby throws Zotz a shirt. Does that sound right? Well, it is an action word. Yeah, it does sound right. Abby throws Zotz a shirt. Th, thumb. Oh, here I have a g. No, it doesn't look right. I can't give myself a check. Can I move on, readers? I cannot move on. I can't give myself a triple check. I have to stop and fix this. Okay, let's work on this. Abby. All right, let's see. What would make sense? What is she doing? She is handing him something. That would make sense, right? That's in the picture. But it doesn't begin. I'm looking at the letters. It does not begin with the letter G. Okay, let me look at my letters here. G, is, gives. Well, that's one of those tricky words because I doesn't say its name. So I could try it two ways. Gives. Is that a word? No. So I have to try it two ways. Gives. It, is, gives. Is that a word? Yeah, that's a word. Gives. Is she giving him something? And does that make sense? Is she giving him something? And does that look like the word gives? Because remember, I tried my vowel two ways here. I had to do that. It looks like the word gives. I'm going to move that there. And that would make sense. I'm going to move that there. Let me go back and reread. Abby gives Zotz a shirt. Zotz takes the shirt. How does that sound? Thumbs up? Whew. Okay, good. All right, let me move my checks down. All right, you said I had a thumbs down on this page too. Let me see. Abby gives Zotz the socks. Zotz takes the socks. That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. I can see that in the picture. She's giving him the socks. Does that sound right? Yeah, it sounds right. I know it's not here as an example, but it sounds right. Does it look right? The. That's one of my sight words. One of my snap words. And this is another sight word. This is one of those tricky words. It's a red word. I can't sound it out. I just have to know it. Let me see. What is that word? Oh, some. It's the word some. Right. Okay. Abby gives Zotz some socks. Zotz takes the socks. How's that? Does that look like the word some? Right. Okay. Readers, do you see how I had to do a triple check? When I first started, I only had 2 checks, so could I go on? No, I can't go on. I have to have all 3 check marks before I can go on. So readers, when you go off today and you get stuck, make sure you can give yourself a triple check, just like we did there, before you continue reading, okay? All right, off you go, readers.